Today we are testing the WPC profile machine. The material is WPC compound. It contains 70% of wood and around 26% HDPE with some chemical additives. Then this is made from our jet machine, WPC granulation machine. Okay, we use that machine, and then we made this material, and we put this material in this machine. This is the extruder machine, conical double screw extruder with the mold. This is the mold, so you can change the mold to make a different product. Okay, and this is the embossing, online embossing machine. So we make a WPC product like this. It is used for replace wood. It can be used for outdoor, outside. It's beautiful, right? It looks like real wood, but it's made from wastage of plastic and wood sawdust. This is the one complete machine. After you adjust it well, it can be automatic production. This is the pour-off machine. This is the cutting machine. After cutting, the sawdust will be connected here. This is some other WPC decking product we have tested yesterday and made. I will use it for my house. For decking. This is made yesterday for another mode. Today we are testing on wall panel. Wall panel mode today. Wonderful. So this product tested, we have 3 layers. This surface layer and the middle layer and the bottom layer. So why we make this? Because with this material on the surface, it's for anti-UV, so it can be used for outside even 10 years, no problem. When we touch it, it's also like wood. And the inner material is WPC, means 26% HDPE recycled material with 70% wood powder composited for the inner material. But the one we are testing today, the customer require without 3 layer, it's only WPC comb material, no surface. So they will put anti-UV engine in this material, but is maybe after 2 years, this may be color fading if used outside, because there is no surface protection. See the surface embossing, you can also adjust different embossing tips. This is for very light embossing. And this is for very deep embossing. So it's automatic production now. We have already adjusted the parameters, so it is running automatic. we are using PLC control, touch screen. Which has Chinese and English, two languages. This is the electric control system. Let's see. Inverter. Inverter is ABB block. All the contractors, Siemens block. Of course, the control system is very beautiful. All the cables are arranged very beautiful. Marks. All the cables are very good arranged. It's for Europe machine. It's for Europe customer, so the quality is really wonderful. So this is one line. This line is around 24 meter length. But you only need to connect one main cable from your electricity control. Your electricity supply to here only need one cable for that. And for others, we have all the cables from each equipment connected to this by just easy plug. For all the heaters, just plug here. Okay. 这是差不多。Okay. This is the conical double screw extruder. Two screw inside. With the vacuum. Well, the vacuum is used for taking out the moisture in the raw material. If there is raw material in the, if there is water, moisture in the raw material, then this vacuum pump will take the moisture from here. It will take the moisture from here, and then the water go outside if there is moisture. Okay. This is the gearbox. Very strong gearbox with water cooling or oil cooling, which is optional. This is the main motor. Running very strong. This is the feeder, automatic feeder. It uses vacuum feeding. So also automatic. Okay. Then let's see the mode. This is the mode. The mode will decide the product side. Calibrators. So for the mode, you need heating. This is the heaters. And when you make production, you will also need cooling inside. So those small hose is for supply water for inner cooling. So we also have the water flow showing the flow for each small cable, so you can ensure the flow to be all the same. Embossing and okay. This embossing ruler is 3D. You can make very deep embossing. So the design is also very beautiful. For embossing ruler, the quality is very important because if it is continuously running, if you buy a cheap material, then after maybe 1 or 2 months, the design go away, right? But all this one, it can run years, no problem, because this material is very good. This is the cooling tank. We have water cooling and vacuum cooling. So inside here has the water pump. the water tank for the water cooling room. There is a filter system for the water clean. Okay. So in our design, you will never see the water flow there, here and there. In our design, all the water will go through there from the tank go from here and go to in those water channel. Those are water channel. So the water only go like this. It will not go there and here. Very clean. And after cooled, the water go back to the tank from here. It go back to the tank inside. So it's just a cooling using. If your place is very hot, you can also connect with a water chiller. This calibration tank is 8-meter length because you can also use 6-meter, but longer means the production can be faster because the cooling speed is very slow. This is our pour-off machine. Double caterpillar pour-off machine. Let's see. This is the window, glass window is open now. You can also close. If close, then it will be like this. But now we open it. So the rubber, our high quality rubber, new rubber, not made from recycled material. And the surface we made is like a tire pattern. So you can ensure very strong friction. You can work very stably. This is the cutter. The cutter we can do automatic cutting. We can do automatic cutting. You can see the length. When the length reach, it will cut automatic. We use diamond material for the cutting blade. That's why after cutting, the cutting section is so smooth. There is no chips of after cutting. It's very smooth. The cutting section is perfect, so you should no need a secondary cutting again. Of course, when you do cutting, there will be some dust, like those dust. But now we didn't open this dust connector. If we open this dust connector, all the cutting dust will go to this connector, so there will be no pollution. I really like this product. This is we made yesterday. It's called extrusion decking. We made yesterday. My boss decided to use this for his house decoration. So he made some samples. Although he made it for his house. He likes this design. I also like this design. He make it by extrusion, so it has a 7 layer. The inner is WPC material, and the surface is plastic material for anti-UV. So this he can use it outside for more than 10 years or even 15 years. It will not color fading. It is very good. So beautiful. Okay. Today we tested is not decking. Today we tested is wall panel. Is for this profile. The cutting section is wonderful, very smooth, no chips. Okay, let's go around. on the machine again. Okay, cut.哪里停？这是一个卡体的sample。This is very light embossing. The surface is embossed nice, not very deep. See, when cutting there is some dust, but the cutting dust will be connected by this dust connector system. But now we didn't turn on it, so now it's not working. From 那边，这个切个面包。
这样干的，这样放的。这样朝上的吗？这样朝。
再切一块。
再插一个那么长的，这到这儿了，到这里切，到这里切了。
Okay. We will cut two samples, and then we. Now this is deep embossing. So, this is same product, but you can adjust the embossing dips. This is deep embossing, and this is light embossing. This is two different embossing design. This side we made a very deep embossing, and this side we tested with light embossing. Okay. Okay, today we finished the testing. Later we will turn off the machine. Bye.